Again, Benedict, hello Polenka. I am here to show you one of my favorite parts in laboratory in PCCR. Ballistic laboratory room. It was this laboratory that captured my attention. Behind being my interest, I knew I could apply the knowledge I gained here as an aspiring police officer. Specifically, it provided me with the knowledge about firearms, such as type of bullets and gun parts. The bullet comparison microscope was particularly useful, as it helped me expand my understanding of comparing and identifying bullets and guns. In this laboratory, I also learned about the proper use of various equipment, including different types of microscope that provide clearer insight into the differences and significance of bullets and guns. Thank you for watching or my mini vlog in Ballistic Laboratory.